I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is kind of crazy out. Just finished up a 5-hour-long time lapse of the snow. It's not stopping. Oh, guess I forgot the password for the door. Just trying to take stuff outside. But yeah, we're just trying to clean up our storage room today. But I cannot believe all the snow that's coming down. This is what we've been working on today. All this. Yeah, I also had no idea how to do this point of view, first person view, whatever. But I just stuck the camera inside my shirt with the tripod on it. Yeah. Pretty low-key day. Kiddo is not feeling good, so he hasn't really been eating or sleeping very well, but hopefully he'll feel a lot better soon. Alright, just gotta take this to the dumpster now. Yeah, I got new mics. It's a DJI Mini, or Mic Mini, whatever. And I haven't tried it out yet. I guess I did for like half a second just as a test, but this is my first time actually recording anything on it. The camera was being used for that 5-hour-long time lapse, and I wasn't really gonna wait around. And then also my phone was recording a 3-hour time lapse. Man, this snow is so deep. I don't know if you can see, but like right here, so just below my knee. Man, that thing was kind of heavy. I don't even know what I'm gonna even put in this video, because I'm not really doing much today. I'll probably go outside later, but I don't know if I'll record. I definitely need to get better about recording more. I just need to get used to it and get used to talking to myself, I guess. At least it seems like I'm talking to myself, but I know it's for the video, so it's different. Well, it's a little over 24 hours now, but figured I'd give a little update on our snow situation. I'll turn the camera around real quick and show you what has fallen, at least at this point. Still going and hasn't really slowed down much. There's a couple periods where it did slow down and actually stopped for a couple hours, but for the most part it's still continuing to go. Here's our Tahoe. You can see I cleared this spot right over here from my car, and my door is literally scraping across the ground, but pretty crazy. I've never experienced snow like this before. So, got a foot on the car right here. About 14 inches right there. 13 inches almost right there. It's up to my knees here, but 15 inches. Alright, here's another spot. Let's see. 14 and a half. Pretty crazy.